Hey guys, this is a quick walkthrough to the AI Summarizer Chrome extension and how you can use it on your machine. So first head on to the GitHub repo and then you can either clone or download the zip file. I'll prefer zipping it as it's a bit easy and handy. So once the file gets downloaded, um, yeah, it's downloaded. Yeah, so unzip it. You can extract all the files. So you can see the file is extracted. So then head on to the extension bar and enable the developers mode first forward, and then click on to load unpacked and select the file that you just unzipped it. So this is the main folder, so you need to uh, select the main folder. Yeah, so the extension has been loaded into the Chrome. You can pin it if you want for quicker access. This is the current UI. So yeah, in order to set up the Gemini API key or the Hugging Face API key according to your preference, I would prefer Gemini. uh, so head on to Gemini AI Studio. Let's wait for it. Yeah, so this is the first time I'm using, so let's build with the Gemini API key and just let's click onto the terms and conditions of Google and I accept it. Yeah, so then create an API key. The API key is generating. Let's wait. Yeah, it is generated. Copy the API key and just paste it and save settings. So yeah, the Gemini key has been saved successfully. So let's use it. Let's go to some news article. um, let's go to Mint. Okay, so let's suppose you don't have time to go through this article and you want a quick summary about what's happening. Just click on the extension, select the AI as Gemini and type as brief. I want to know in brief about the entire article. So yeah, so you can see in few 2 to 3 sentences the entire article has been summarized. And if I want in bullets, let's select bullet and summarize. So you can see it has been summarized. So I can copy and I can copy my clipboard and I can just paste it wherever I want. So this is the entire walkthrough the AI summarizer Chrome extension. So feel free to contribute to it, and if you find any bug or any sort of problem, please raise an issue. I'll try to solve it as soon as possible. Hope this helps you. Thank you.